You can't kick ass all day if you don't start with breakfast. Scrambling eggs are just one of the 10,000 things you can do with them, and it's also one of the easiest. Let's go. Step 1, you're gonna need eggs. I'm gonna use 3 of them here. You'll also need something to scramble them in, and I'll show you 2 ways to go right now. The first is the classic method. Grab a bowl and a fork. Crack your eggs into the bowl and add a pinch of salt. I'd say about a 1/4 teaspoon for every 2 eggs, and you can adjust up or down from there as you gain experience with it. Break up the yolks with your fork and then start scrambling. Your goal here is to get as much air into the eggs as you can with controlled small-scale violence. That's the right way to do it, but here's my way. Get yourself a 1-quart deli container. Yes, my kitchen is teeming with these. Crack your eggs into it, add your salt, put the lid on tightly, and then start scrambling. Step 2, this is where non-stick pans really shine. Set a pan over medium-low and toss in a tablespoon or 2 of butter. Depending on your taste, you can't really add too much butter. Gordon Ramsay's eggs are like mostly butter, but as far as how much you need, I'd say a tablespoon or 2 per 2 eggs is a good place to start. And pour them in. Grab a silicone spatula or something similar and keep it moving once you start to get solids forming on the bottom of the pan, like these. This is a slow process and rushing it only results in brown, rubbery bullshit, so keep the heat down and pay attention to your eggs. They're done when you say they're done. Some folks like them a little loose, some like them hammered and dry. I like them kind of in between, somewhere pretty close to this. Get them off the heat and onto a plate as soon as you have them the way you like them. What can you add to make it even more awesome? That's a great question, and I'm glad you asked. The answer is cheese. Questions like this, the answer is almost always cheese. Cheese makes most things even more awesome. Cheddar, Swiss, American, mozzarella, Gruyere, it's all great. A few shakes of dried oregano can add a surprising amount of life to scrambled eggs, as can most herbs. So play around with your spice cabinet and find out what you like. Thanks for watching all the way to the end. If I helped you today, you can help me by hitting the subscribe button and throwing a like my way. I hope you learned something. Peace.